folks. I really need to put this on a bench. Let's see. Let's put this right here. This. Yeah, I got all kinds of shit on my hand already. Ew, I don't want to do that. I don't want the grease on my hands. I'm already in sissy mode. Let's grab the green goblins. Gotta take this engine out. I don't think there's anything else coming off this engine. Couple of wires. I got most of it disconnected. I think there's one bolt in the back and 4 in the front. And I don't remember what size bolts they are. I know one of you bike gurus out there remembers all the metric sizes of the bolts, but I don't remember which ones are which. Let's go like this. There we go. That's better. Here. I need, where the hell are my ratchets now? Ratchets, where are my ratchets? Ratchets. There are all the ratchets. Thank goodness for a tub of parts. There we go. Put them all in a bowl. Let's see, we don't need a hammer. Clear spoon. There's another hammer. Another hammer. Don't need that. Is that a 14 millimeter? Yep. 14 millimeters. 15. 14. I don't need a socket. Yeah. My head's itchy. Ratchet, an extension. There's one 14 millimeter extension. I think this time we're going to try to take the back one out first, because that'll be easier. This, and where's my ratchet? Ratchet. There we go. There's my cheap ratchet. Let's turn it over a little bit. This over here. Come on. Cooperate. Right there for now. Try to get this up this way. Okay. Right there. Let's see. Are we even on camera? Ouch. Let's see. Should do. Choose impact. That's what I should do. Impact. I could have swore I have an impact on here somewhere. If I have a battery for it. Where is it? Oh, don't tell me I left it at home. Don't tell me I left it at home. How to break standard Harbor Freight sockets. There we go. Ooh, look at that. Like butter. Just like butter. Holy crap. The last one was the worst experience of life. Worst experience of life. Okay. We got that one up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. There's a god. There's a god. The motorbike god. Now, let's see. Let's see if we can get this one off here without a hitch. Oh yeah, there we go. That one's off there. There's one. Is this on camera? There we go. Come on. There we go. This one there. There we go. This off here. This off here. This off here. There is a shit ton of grease on his bike. And I bet you I know why. Come on. Come on. Get out of there. Come on. There we go. I won't jinx myself yet, but so far this has been pretty gnarly. It's been coming out quite decently. Drop that one. Drop that bolt. Come on, get in there. Here we go. Got that. The whole engine should pop out. Whole engine should pop. Oh, one more. I lied. There's one more down here. There's the other side here. Can I get this wrench in there? Let's see. Can we get the wrench in there? There's the foot. No, we can't. The wrench won't fit. We need another 14mm socket. I'm missing 14. Holy crap, the easiest bolt removal ever. What the hell's that? Easy peasy, man. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That one. That one. That one. There's the bolts. Now, let's see if I can get this out of the engine. Get this engine out here. How does the engine slide out now? How the hell do you get the engine up now? Yeah, that's gonna come off. Spark plug wire, go off there. Let me cut that off. Ooh. Cut that off right there. Cut that one off right there. Took that off. Alrighty, engine removal. What's still holding us in? hose here. Okay, there's no hose. That's not on there. You should be able to disembowel it now. Should be. Able to. Maybe like this. Oh, sideways like that. What am I missing here? It's completely disemboweled. What is going on here? How do we get it out? How do we get it out? Sideways maybe. Let's see. Whoa. Ah, there we go. Alrighty. Insane in the frame. Let's get this here. Real quick here. Hopefully the foot won't fall down. There we go. One engine. Ta-da! Hallelujah. Just wrecked the Nerd Carter shirt. There we go. Now I can take a better look at the frame. Let's see. Hello, folks. If you've been watching this video, you'll know that I took this thing out of that thing right there. Took the frame apart. A little sweaty because it's hot in here. And, okay, it's not exactly the easiest thing taking engines out, especially in one piece. And if you work on bikes like this, please leave a comment how to get this engine back in the thing, because when I get a nice freshly painted bike, how do you get in without scratching it? I'm thinking like maybe I got to wrap the frame with like some kind of tape so I don't wreck the thing. I don't know, probably a good idea anyway. But anyway, got to put the bike's engines in a box. This one ran, it looks like crap. Probably just give it a quick cleaning so I can whatever. And in a second I'm gonna probably do a little makeover and see what I gotta remove off the other engine. Not the engine, off the frame. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed my little tinkering session here, taking out 8 bolts. I've been dreading doing this for a while, but it's out of my way now. I can haul a bike in here, so and I can do some work on some bike videos. But I gotta move these 3 engines out of the way. Thanks for watching. Toodles.